Condemned killer Richard Leavitt is scheduled to die by lethal injection in just more than a week. And tomorrow, the Idaho Supreme Court will hear an appeal on Leavitt's behalf. And tonight, we hear from Leavitt's attorney for the very first time. Our Eric Fink has much more in this exclusive report.
It was a circumstantial evidence case all the way. It was always a matter of trying to put the pieces together to prove a view of how the case took place.
Boise criminal defense attorney David Nevin views his client, death row inmate Richard Leavitt, as an innocent man. Leavitt has been on death row for 27 years, convicted of brutally killing 31-year-old Danette Elge of Blackfoot in 1984. Leavitt was with police when they found Elge dead in her home, stabbed more than a dozen times, her body mutilated. A judge handed Leavitt his death warrant on May 17th. But his attorney maintains this condemned killer never once admitted guilt.
There's a saying in law enforcement that everybody confesses. And when you look at the cases statistically, that tends to be the case. People tend to admit what they've done. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but next year, at some point in the process, people typically admit and confess. And Mr. Leavitt never has.
Nevin contends Leavitt passed a polygraph with ease and will argue the test should be admissible in his client's case.
They are not generally admissible on the question of guilt or innocence in Idaho, but they are admissible at sentencing hearings. And in many courts in the country, polygraphs are freely admissible if you lay the foundation that you did it right.
As his client's life hangs in the balance, Nevin will lay the foundation of his appeal in front of the Idaho Supreme Court Monday afternoon, with only days to go before Richard Leavitt's scheduled execution. Eric Fink, Today 6 News.